Hello, I'm sitting here with Vladan, and yeah. Um, hi Vladan. What is your ringtone?
My ringtone is the theme of the movie Dark Knight.
Okay, can you play it,
Yeah, I guess so.
please? Okay, and from where did you get it?
iTunes. I downloaded it on iTunes.
Okay. And why do you have this ringtone, and what does it mean to you?
I use it because it starts with a very low volume and it gets higher with time. So if you can pick up the phone quick, it doesn't sound embarrassing and people don't recognize it because it's not like one of those strange like music video, music clips. So yeah, I like it because I like the movie and it's got kind of an inside joke with me and my friends. When you hear it, it's like, oh look, the bad phone is ringing and things like that. So it's pretty funny and yeah.
Okay.